was born to fly and spread these wings and find my own. I am coming home. Today will be the day it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way.
Happy birthday, baby! Nawa ay lumaki kang mabait. Parang si Daddy, mabait si Daddy. Si Mami rin naman mabait. We are praying na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. At the same time, you are a blessing to us. Ikaw yung aming miracle baby. And isa ka sa sobrang nagpapasaya sa amin. Prayer lang namin, lumaki kang mabait, at healthy, at syempre matalino.
Found my home.
Happy birthday, Primo!
Today will be the day it all will change.
Happy birthday, baby! Prayers ko sa'yo. Sana lumaki kang mabuting tao, may takot sa Diyos. Enjoy mo lang yung pagkabata mo sa ngayon. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos dahil sa wakas, natuloy na yung dedication mo ngayon after 2 years na na-postpone. Enjoy mo yung araw na ito kasi it's your big day. We love you, baby!
Love you!